I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hello, and welcome back to the Barca Hub. And this is the time for Barcelona versus Osasuna match preview. So let's do this. The game will start at 2 pm local time, where Barcelona will be hosting Osasuna at the Camp Nou. Osasuna come into this game winning 1, losing 2, and drawing 1 from their previous 4 fixtures. Osasuna will most likely start with a 3-5-2 formation, and this might be the biggest problem for Barcelona. While defending, Osasuna's wide midfielders will go back and will create a back 5, and their central midfielders would also drop deep and form a very tough low block. But they would leave their 2 attackers, Budimir and Garcia, higher up the pitch so they could attack us in the counter-attacks. Osasuna are a very good team defensively. They have conceded 4th least goals this season in the league. They try to create very tight spaces and hence leave no way for the opposition to make vertical passes. But on the other hand, they have also been very poor attackingly. They have scored second least amount of goals this season, and the reason is quite clear. They want to only score goals in the counterattacks, especially versus big teams like Barcelona. Now moving on to Barcelona. Our form is quite similar to that of them. We have also just won 1 game in our previous 4 in the league. But our confidence is high from the Champions League victory versus Dynamo. We come into this game missing many first team players, and that could be a blessing in disguise for many youngsters. Now players like Mingueza, Elenia and Puig can get time because they were really good against Dynamo Kiev. There was a report saying that Dest could miss this game against Osasuna due to discomfort, but Dest was just now seen training with the group, and that indeed is a very relieving news, because we don't want to miss a player who has huge potential and is in top form and who could dominate the right back position for long time. There are strong chances that Dest is given rest in the second half and Mingueza then moves to his position, with Frenkie de Jong becoming a centre back. Now moving on to our attack. I think it would be Dembele at right wing, Messi as an attacking midfielder, Griezmann as a centre forward, and Coutinho or maybe Pedri at the left. I think that Braithwaite will also get some playing time in the second half. So this is what the complete formation could look like. Ter Stegen in goal, Jordi Alba as left back, Clement Lenglet and Mingueza as centre backs, with Dest as the right back, Frenkie de Jong and Pjanic as defensive midfielders, Messi as the number 10, Dembele on his right and Coutinho on his left, with Griezmann up top. The main objective or aim of Barcelona should be breaking lines like we did in our previous match. We have to create a lot of chances and a goal will come. In this game, creators like Messi, Coutinho, De Jong, Pjanic and Griezmann are very important, but we also need someone to score them. So it will be interesting to see how will Barcelona break them, both creating wise and scoring wise. We have to win this game, and I mean we just have to win this game to still remain in the title race. My prediction is Barcelona 2, Osasuna 0. I think we might pull off a clean sheet and we will make a comeback in the league with a convincing performance. So that was it for today, guys. Comment down your prediction below, and as always, Visca el Barça.
I never made it, but I know what it takes.